In today's video, we are going to cover how to add tax on a QuickBooks invoice. Begin by opening the Sales section in QuickBooks and selecting Invoices. From there, you can either create a new invoice or open one that already exists. If you are creating a new invoice, the form will open blank and ready for entry. If you are working with an existing invoice, open it so you can update the details already on the screen. Once the invoice is open, select the customer for that invoice. Just make sure the transaction is attached to the correct account before you add any taxable items. After the customer is selected, move down to the product or service area and enter the item or items you want to bill. Add each product or service on its own line as needed, following the invoice layout that appears in QuickBooks. As you review the line items, look for the tax box on each one. This is the part that determines whether sales tax will apply to that specific product or service. For every line item that should be taxed, check the tax box. If a line should not be taxed, leave that box unchecked. This is an important detail because QuickBooks calculates tax based on the lines that are marked as taxable. After the taxable items are marked, move to the area labeled Select Sales Tax Rate. Open the drop-down menu and choose the tax rate that matches the transaction. The list may include more than one option, so make sure you select the rate that applies to the invoice you are working on. Once the rate is selected, QuickBooks will use it to calculate the tax amount for the taxable line items on that invoice. Next, verify that the tax has been added to the invoice total. Review the total section and confirm that the sales tax amount appears there and that the final invoice total reflects the added tax. This quick check helps you confirm that both the taxable boxes and the selected tax rate were applied correctly before you save the invoice. When everything looks correct, choose the action you want at the bottom of the invoice. Click Save if you want to keep the invoice open after saving it. Click Save and Close if you are finished and want to return to the invoices list. If you are ready to send it out, select Review and Send to move to the delivery step. Use the option that matches what you need to do next. The tax has now been added to your QuickBooks invoice and included in the invoice total.